Hey everybody, Looks into Swirl here. New day, new project, new Wanderlust box. It is November 2021. We will do more than just look through the box. We will actually do something with it. I've been reading rave reviews, but I've stopped before reading any details, so I don't know. Cape Cod, Massachusetts. That's where we're going this time. All right. Let's take this off. Passport stamp, I'll put that aside. This is our clear cast. Look at that. Tell you what, let's take everything out of the box and we will read what the description on the postcard says. Oh my. Oh my. Goodness. Goodness. Wow. More wow. And some more wow. Oh, look. Okay. Here we go. This looks good. First line. Hey travelers, here there be pirates. This month we are traveling to Cape Cod in Massachusetts to explore one of the most prolific pirate attractions in the United States, the Whydah Pirate Museum. This attraction has been operating since 2016 and boasts having the world's largest collection of pirate artifacts recovered from a single sunken ship that crashed off the coast, the Whydah Galley. Your souvenirs are inspired by these artifacts and the beautiful treasures pirates covet. So open your coffers and let the swashbuckling commence. XOXO, wish you were here. Okay, first thing, X marks the spot pouch. That is beautiful. A map printed zipper pouch made to hold all of your crafting booty. Crafting tools work too. Okay. Magnificent liquid metals. A collection of 3 liquid metallic alcohol ink pigments in copper, gold, and silver. I've never seen this brand before. I don't even see a brand name. Gemstones vinyl roll. Ah, a jewel-toned metallic permanent vinyl roll to add flair to your projects. Wow, that's pretty cool. Ship-shape coaster molds. Ah, that's what these are. Oh, and a coaster holder, I believe. Let's see. A set of 4 coaster molds, including a mold for a holder. Okay, so we have 4 molds, 3, nope, there are 4 coasters. Okay, so we have 5 molds, 4 coasters, and the holder for the coasters. These are perfect for use with the Captain's Bounty Rainbow Glass Sunken Treasure Collection, which I assume we'll get to in a minute, and the magnificent liquid metals. Okay. You guys, Cutlass glittered weeding pen. Ah, a sparkling weeding pen with a sharp tip, great for weeding the small details in your vinyl cuts. I have been meaning for ages now to get a weeding pen, and now I have one. Yay! Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. There it is. Sharp pointy thing. I have my own sharp pointy. I have lots of them, but I have a weeding pen now. Yay! Doesn't take much to get me going. Buccaneer holographic film. Okay. A new holographic film cast from our friends at Crafty Thrive and LLC. Printed with a beautiful world map, this material is perfect for showing off your love of sailing the high seas. So it's a holographic film. Okay, multiple sheets, different sizes. So, no my sleeves. Yeah, you can just peel it off of there. So it's a peel and stick product, vinyl, I assume. Holographic, very. So we have 2 larger pieces and a smaller piece. Sunken Treasure Collection. Okay, that's what the glitters are this month. So we have, oh boy, somebody's gonna have to help me with pronunciation here. It's either pyrope or pyrope. Pyrope? I don't know. Never heard of it. A deep garnet red in our Wanderlust jar. That is a beautiful red. Jade, look at that. Ooh. Bold, brilliant emerald green in the Wanderlust jar. Lapis lazuli, beaming azure blue that is reminiscent of the darkest depths of the ocean. And purple agate. 2 ounces of a vivid purple in our Wanderlust jar. This color was inspired by the treasures of royalty. Okay, copper doubloons. 2 ounces of a holographic copper dot. Yep, nope, that's Captain's Bounty. That's the other, this one's not labeled, but this must be it by default. Can't really see it through the bag. 2 ounces of a holographic copper dot shaped glitter inspired by the coins in a treasure chest. Okay, and then that leaves Captain's Bounty Rainbow Glass. 1 ounce of a beautiful rainbow crushed glass glitter that sparkles like jewels, fit for a pirate king. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, now I have to figure out what to do. 4 coasters and the coaster holder. We're gonna have to do 2 projects clearly, and I'm only gonna get to 1 today. I think I'll start with our coasters. That would be the easiest, obvious. We will mix up some resin, pour the coasters, pour the holder, test out some of our, oh, maybe all of our glitters and our alcohol inks. Yeah, I'll meet you back here in just a moment. And we're back. Okay, I've had to think. What we're gonna do is the coaster set, as I sort of predicted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up a bunch of Clearcast 7050, which is a really nice resin for using in molds. I am going to mix up, I did the water test on one of the coasters and on the coaster holder mold, and these take about 2 ounces of resin, and this takes about 4, and that sort of implies 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. We need 12 ounces of resin. However, I'm going to be adding what will probably amount to a crap ton of glitter to my resin before I put it in the molds. So I won't need that much resin itself because I'll be adding volume with all the glitter I used. So I'm going to mix up, let's see, instead of 12, shoot for 8. If I end up with 10, that's okay. I am going to split off 1 ounce for each one of these. Into each one, I'm going to mix a different one of their gorgeous Pirate Booty Treasure glitters. And then for the coaster holder, I'm going to start by mixing off a little of the resin with this particular glitter. It's called Captain's Bounty. I think that'll be beautiful. I'm going to try and put that just down there around the rim, and then I'll be using clear resin in the rest of it, but also coloring that as we go with these metallic alcohol inks. So I'm going to gear up and do what I just described. Sit back and enjoy the show, and then we'll come back for the big demold and reveal and find out what we got. we're back. All right, let's see what we got. Well, they sure are pretty. No surprise here. This was pretty much what I was going for. Okay, just as a reminder, because I did this yesterday, even though you just saw it a second ago. This is the lapis lazuli. Oh, look at that shine. Look at that sparkle. Is that not gorgeous? There's some hollow going on in there. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I was in a hurry to pour, so these are not perfect. You can see bubble notches. I think you can see bubble notches around the edge. All that would have taken was for me to take a non-sharp implement of some kind and just run it around the edge like this. Once the resin was poured in, it would have eliminated the bubbles from the edges and I wouldn't have had that problem. But I didn't bother with that, I just poured. These are beautiful. See how our jade turned out? Oh, look at that. No hollow in this one. That's okay, it's beautiful nonetheless. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, another idea for topping them without having to go to all the trouble of, I know this doesn't necessarily stop all resin from seeping down the sides, but that wouldn't be such a horrible thing. So I just put it back in there with the, what had been the bottom is now turned on top. Put it in there, back into the coaster mold, and dome it with clear resin. There's a little bit of unevenness from the mold and the bubbles. That would take care of the whole thing. This is the Pyrope or Pyrope or Pyrope. I don't know how to say that. Any thoughts on that, how it's pronounced? It's beautiful. It's a beautiful red with an orange tint to it. And look at the sparkle on that puppy. Wow. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And the last one is our purple agate. Oh, look at that. Actually, I see some deep blue flash in there as well. These two go beautifully together. I don't know how that's showing up for you, but wow. Just stunning. All right. Now the one I'm most interested in, how did our alcohol inks look? And I used pretty much all of the Captain's Bounty that came in a separate pouch. It is opalescent and flash and crushed glass glitter. And then I used the 3 metallic alcohol inks on the side. So let's see how this turned out. Ta-da! Very, very pretty. Was it what I was expecting? Yeah, sorta. Not exactly. I think maybe leaving the metallic inks out and having it be clear on the bottom with just the little bit of Captain's Bounty overspill, that would have been pretty too. Do I dislike this? I mean, how could you look at that? Look at that. It's gorgeous. And it holds our 4 coasters perfectly. Stunning, beautiful, great Christmas gift, especially if you take a little more care than I did to eliminate the bubbles when you first pour the resin in the coasters, or in the coaster molds. But really, really gorgeous. Could sand the rims and put some adhesive cork on the back. That would make it good for anybody's coffee table. And obviously you can layer these in any color combo you like. Very, very pretty. So for the next video with the MNG Wanderlust box from November 2021, I want to use these vinyls and this particular glitter that we haven't used yet. This is the Copper Doubloons. This is the one we haven't used yet. So yeah, I will wrap a tumbler with at least one of these, probably just one, and then use glitter on the rest of the cup and figure out a decal to put on it. And that should be really beautiful. So keep your eyes open for that. I can't say it'll be the next video, but it'll be coming up one of these days soon, hopefully. We'll see where it fits in the schedule. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got this box, I hope you enjoy making your own coasters with a holder. Stay safe, everyone. I will see you in the next video.